Hi, good morning students. In this short video, I am going to quickly demonstrate how you can use WordItOut, that website that I mentioned in our course, to create a quick word cloud. I have a running Firefox here and I have a favorite link to WordItOut, but you can simply type worditout.com once you are connected to the internet, and you will be taken to their home page, which looks like this here. I am on the home page, and one of the good things about WordItOut, you do not have to register per se as a user in the system. All they need is your email address when you are ready to save your word cloud. So once you're here, you go straight up to this little button which says create. So on the site, you can just create the cloud quickly. You're taken to this new window, and here you have the option to type in your text of the words that you would like to include in your word cloud. We are asking you to create a word cloud that would summarize or teach various concepts from a particular unit that you might want to deliver at some level in the schools, whether you are TVET or whether you are primary students. Okay, so you can copy and paste, which makes it easier. So you can prepare your words in Microsoft Word if you like, and then just copy and paste. So I have a file running here. So I'm going to my file, which is a Word file, and I will select this section which I have on seafoods. I highlight the text. I do on the Windows computer, it will be Control C, copy, or you can right click and copy. I know you can do those things. So the text is copied already. Then I will just come back here and paste the text into this window, and or simply click generate, and tada, you have your word cloud created. Now this is done by default in the background, and you have this regenerate button that would give you random other options for the cloud. So if I just click on this button, it will give me a whole set of all different formats and layout. So you can just continue to click until you find one that you're satisfied with. There would be a whole set, countless. This one looks kind of pretty. Fish, mahi, seafood. Okay, so I'm going to stay on this one. So this is you would like the system to generate for you. But in addition to these generation automatic in the background, you can have more control by going through these options. So you can do your own formatting. You can change the font. You can go through these. You can change colors yourself, size of text, and the layout all the way down here. And even at the bottom, you can get your word list. And if you wanted to add more words, you can do that as well. You can go back and add more words and generate again. Now remember, you have not saved yet. So if you want to go back, it will be this original source that you will click. Right, but I think for now, the regenerate or the default generation might be good enough for us. But I know some of you would want to have more control, so you have all freedom to go through these settings and do your own design if you are into art and you are have preference in terms of your color and so on. Okay, so lastly, you press save at the bottom here, and you will be asked to give your word cloud a name. So since this one was based on seafood, I will say seafood. Seafood SVG. I can simply say all seafood in SVG as well. Any description you want to give there. The description is not so crucial, but the title is very important. And you have two options. Your word cloud can be public, which means that if persons are looking through what's available in WordItOut website, they may very well bounce upon yours. But if you prefer to have it private, like I am usually a private person and will prefer to have mine private, so I change it to private. And then this is very important, your email address, because that is what is used to really give you access to the cloud. So I will go ahead, and they have two options saved for me. Since I would have created clouds already, I would use this email address, but you can type in yours fully. And finally, you just press save. Okay, and quickly they have created a link to the cloud. So your word cloud is now live, and you can see it at this link. So you can click on this link and it will take you directly to the cloud that they have created for you. And in addition to that, you are provided with an email. So already they have sent an email to you to the address that you have selected or typed in, and you are ready to go. So I will not go to my email yet, but I will just click this link to view it on the cloud. It is saved on the cloud on their website. So okay, now you've seen the title here that I put in, and this is now ready for me to share. I could share on Twitter, Google Plus, and there are other options for sharing. All of these here, Facebook and others, you can email it to anybody you wish, but I will normally be interested in downloading them to my computer, saving them as pictures in my pictures folder. So when you click here, the cloud will be downloaded to your computer, and you can always have it there, save as a picture file, a PNG file, ready to be inserted in any document or be pasted on any website, etc. So I think you can handle it from here. I am not going to worry to demonstrate the download. Alright, so what I will do instead is to just go to my email now. So you will see that indeed an email was sent, and with an extra bit of information that I consider to be useful. So I'm going to my email now. And very true, here is the email for the cloud from them that I have just created. I click on this email, and the same link that I just used a while ago, it is here in the email. So I could click on this link and see the same page again. But in addition to that, you have a very important and should be private link here for your personal set of clouds that you may have created on WordItOut. So if I click on this one will take me to a page where I can find all of my clouds that I have created. They are saved in the background. Okay, so that's how it works. So easy. So it's not like the other sites where you have to register and remember a password. There's no password actually. It's tied to your email address, and that's all that is needed. So okay then, hope you enjoyed this, and I am looking forward to seeing word clouds. Your assignment is already posted in Edmodo. All you're expected to do is to create a word cloud, but we want to see one that can be used for teaching purposes, that would somewhat summarize concepts from perhaps a topic or unit that you will teach in any subject, and you will post it in your assignment on Edmodo. We would look at it and assign your mark. Okay then, see you for now.